Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Wellash channel. Today I'll show you how to fix the issue when your iPhone keeps restarting and gets stuck on the Apple logo. To do this, you can try pressing the volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power button. This often helps. It's turning on now, and even if the logo is showing, it will reboot. If this doesn't help, then you can do the same thing, but this time with it plugged into the charger. Right? So we plug it into the charger. Okay, it just turned on for me now, but don't worry about that. And we do the same thing. So that's 1, 2, and 3 and hold. It'll start rebooting on its own. So we just hold it. See, it's rebooting now. This works every time. No matter what state the phone is in, it should reboot. If none of this works, then your only option left is to restore it through iTunes. To do this, you need to connect your phone to a computer and restore it through iTunes. That's it. This has been Weller. Bye everyone.